Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of clicking on my video, thank you very much, you're welcome. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to use your pineapple skin to make your pineapple water. These are the ingredients I'm using today to make my pineapple water. So guys, let's get started. So at this moment I have washed my pineapple very clean. I made sure my pineapple skin was washed properly. I used apple cider vinegar and a bowl of water to wash it thoroughly. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking off the pineapple skin that I'm going to use to make my pineapple water. So guys, as I go on with my ingredients, I'm going to let you know some of the healthy benefits of pineapple skin. All this why I have been throwing my pineapple skin away. I never knew it was so powerful and helpful for our body. So recently I discovered it and I have been doing this for about 2 weeks now. So I decided to share this recipe with you guys. So some of the benefits of pineapple skin is that it drains excess fluids from our body and it also detoxifies the body system. Pineapple skin also helps in digestion, it reduces excess fat, and it helps our skin to give it that nice and good glow. So guys, I bet you if you try this drink, you are not going to throw your pineapple skin away again. So at this moment, I'm going to keep my pineapple. I'm going to be using it to make something else. This time all I need is the pineapple core and the skin. So I'm done peeling the skin off. And right now I have washed my lemon also. I'm going to slice my lemon. We all know lemon are very powerful. Lemon have a very powerful benefit to our body system. So guys, I'm going to be adding some lemon to my pineapple skin. And it also aids in weight loss. It also aids in reducing excess body fat from our body, excess liquid. So I'm going to be adding that today to my pineapple skin. And here I also have my ginger. I'm going to be adding to my pineapple skin. And guys, I know we all know the healthy benefits of ginger. Ginger is also very powerful. It's very good to our body system. So I'm going to be adding some ginger. I'll just make sure I slice my ginger into tiny pieces. And I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar to this recipe. Guys, I bet you with this apple cider vinegar is going to help you to reduce some weight and it's going to help you to get rid of those excess fat in our body. So guys, I know we all know the healthy benefits of apple cider vinegar. It helps us to reduce belly fat, it reduces cholesterol, and it also lower blood sugar, and it also helps us to fight diabetes. So I'm just going to throw in all my ingredients inside my pot of water. and I'll leave it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. That's my apple cider vinegar. So I'll just give it a little stir and cover for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, that's how it looks. So I'm going to leave it to sit for some hours. So that's it guys. What I do, I take this tea for morning on empty stomach, and I take it for night time before going to bed, and it's been helping me to lose some of those excess weight. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share these videos to help 1 or 2 people. Thank you. Till I see you on my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.